Boys and girls, for our reading activity, we are going to read a little passage and then answer some questions. So before we get started, let's put our name at the top of the paper. And do you remember what today's date is? Today is 6/19/2020. All right, so we're talking about the animal group fish. Fish have swum in the oceans for around 500 million years. The first fishes had no scales, fins, or jaws. There is an enormous range of fish that live in our rivers, lakes, and seas, from the great white shark to the tiny pygmy goby. Fish are vertebrates, which means they have a backbone. They live in water and breathe through their gills. Most fish are cold-blooded apart from two, the tuna and the Pacific salmon shark. Most fish have slimy scales, but some have skins, such as the eel. Fish propel themselves along using their tail and steer with their fins. Most fish lay eggs which develop into fish. Other fish, like some types of sharks, give birth to fully formed young fish. Small fish often live in large groups called schools or shoals. Fish are among the brightest of all animals, especially those from tropical waters. Their bright, dazzling colors help them hide from other fish among the coral or warn other fish that they are poisonous. So how do fish breathe? Do you remember they have those pockets? Do you remember what those are called? They breathe through their gills, so we can write through their gills, Through, their, Their, and gills, Gills. So it says name two fish that are not cold-blooded. So the first fish is the tuna, Tuna, and the other one is Pacific salmon shark, Pacific, salmon, Salmon, and then shark, Shark. So what do fish use to steer them through the water? They use their fins. Let's write fins, Fins. Do all fish have scales? The answer is no. Remember, the eel has skin, not scales. And what is a group of fish called? A school or an army? It's a school. Just like that. Awesome working, boys and girls. We're going to do a fun fish math activity next. I'll see you then. Bye.